So, hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a couple of weeks since I posted last. I just haven't had a lot of things to film, and I've been looking for a new car because if you've been watching some of the things from my channel, you've seen that I drove my Eclipse through a fence. You're tracking again. Come back this way. Like, angle it towards me. Sorry. I got a new camera guy. Just because Samir isn't in town. This is my friend Justin. He's the newest addition to our street racing crew, and he's come with me to pick up my new car that I just got.
What's going on, guys? Happy to be here. Excited to be on YouTube.
So we're in Mount Brydges right now, at Mount Brydges Ford, and I don't have a lot of money, so I can't get something extravagant like another race car, an Eclipse or something like that, or like not even a Ford Focus RS. So I was just kind of looking around. We just got here, and I found an older Ford Focus, I think a 2010, stick shift, and had some features that I really liked. So we're here to pick that up today, and I'll show you guys the new car that I bought to temporarily replace my Eclipse.
Right on.
All right. Let's go take a look at this thing. So Justin and I are in the showroom at Mount Brydges Ford. And I'm just waiting for them to, I think they said they were washing my car, and they're just making sure everything's good and ready for me to pick it up. And I'm just taking a gander here at this, the Mustang 5.0 GT. It's a nice color, and I really like the new looks of the Mustangs. I was never a fan, like after 2006. I started not liking them, but then
2008 is where.
Yeah, there was some ones that I didn't like, but yeah, definitely.
This one looks comfy, actually.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not a fan of convertibles, and I never was, especially on a muscle car. But like, just the styling on the new Mustangs, I don't mind it. And sorry, is this a stick shift as well?
Yeah, it's stick.
It gets extra points for being a stick shift. I love it. Might actually get one of these if I actually had money.
One day.
What else? What else do we have here? We have, what is this? A Fusion?
Looks like a Fusion.
I don't know my Fords very well.
Yeah, it is a Fusion.
It is a Fusion. And then an Escape, I believe. I want to say. Yes, sir. It is an Escape. And then the
XLT.
And then the F-150 there. That's all they got in the showroom. But yeah, Ford's recently kind of stepped up their game with styling and everything for their vehicles. I like them a lot more than I used to. I used to despise Ford, and now I have an appreciation and respect for what they're doing now. All right, so there's my new 2010 Ford Focus SE. 4 doors, not a hatchback. Turn down all this so I can hear myself think. So, I've already driven this. I took it for a test drive a little while ago, but it's angry at me because I don't have my seatbelt on. But I'm not driving anywhere yet, so. But yeah, it's stick shift, 5-speed. It's yeah, it's a lot better than what I'm used to. It'll actually have air conditioning, which is way better than I'm used to. My Eclipse didn't have air conditioning. My race truck didn't have air conditioning. So this is a luxury sedan compared to what I'm used to driving.
Very much so. Very much so.
I'm just gonna put on the seatbelt now to.
You can charge your phone.
Oh, I can charge my phone down there, and is that an aux jack? That one?
It looks
I want to
to
say
be
that's an
so.
aux jack.
Yeah.
2 charging ports. Traction control off. Heads-up display. Well, not a heads-up display, but this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know. Comfy, sporty.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Cheap for what I had to pay for it.
Tim.
Oh yeah,
Good price.
It was I think like elderly driven,
Okay,
so like
so,
it's been taken really good care of, and it's got space for people in the back, unlike my Eclipse where like maybe a small toddler could cramp back there.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I can take friends on road trips and stuff in this.
Oh,
Inline 4, so it's good on gas, and yeah, I think I am gonna like this thing. I hope I will. We'll see what I think in a couple days. Alright, so got everything figured out with the paperwork. I got them to put some snow tires on there because it's Canada and it's January, even though it's like 5 degrees out and raining now. Tomorrow it's gonna be like negative.
Ice.
Yeah, it's
All
gonna be like
ice.
negative 10 and full ice. So, but yeah, about to drive this thing off the lot for the first time, and the first time I've bought a car from an actual lot before. So, kind of excited.
Yeah, exciting.
I will give you the camera, and we'll get this road on the show.
Show on the road.
Definitely a little less smooth now that the new tires are on.
Yeah.
The snow tires.
Those rugged tires.
I'm not used to cars auto-locking. That scared me a little bit. I'm used to just driving trash vehicles around that are fast, but just suck and are uncomfortable.
Yeah. That car.
We'll click some traction control off and see what this thing can do on the road. Just sliding. Yeah, first into second, just no grip. It is a little wet, but still, and it's more than I was expecting from this thing. I like this thing. It's kind of cool. But yeah, overall, my first thoughts on this thing, I would say 7.5 out of 10. I'd rate this car. Just out of comfort and everything like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not going to take it to a racetrack or anything, but I mean, I like it. I'll be uploading a review on this soon, and I'll just give a whole thing on the car once I've had it for a little bit. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I can get Justin on again, and you can I guess see him in future episodes. Might get him on an episode of Those Amateur Car Guys with Samir and I as well.
Of course.
And thanks for watching. And if you were to get a vehicle for $5,000 or under, what would your vehicle be? Leave your answer in the comment section. Like, subscribe, share with your friends.